Hello everyone, welcome to my amazing video. So we are here in Rwanda, place called Rwamagana. So it is not a village, like you see behind me it is a plantain banana outside. So I'm going to show you amazing video. So today is a normal day for me. So I want to take you how we here in Africa washing our clothes. So like you see already prepare all things was there. So water, 3 water. So after you washing here, you put it here. So another one you put here there. After that you go you hanging. So some people sometimes they don't know how to washing the clothes. They just washing once. So they hanging the clothes, but it's too bad. So here is the water. I want to show you the tap. Another one is there, another one is there. So all of us here in this same house, same place. So it's my room. I want to show you another for neighbor, another one for neighbor. 3 rooms here, but we use only one tap for water. So we are not using another place. So like I show you the clothes, the one I'm going to wash it. So I just crash my hair because this clothes is too much. How are we going to finish the clothes? So I say please kindly support me. It's me Soko. So I start now to wash. So guys, support me, support my video. So this is my first time here to washing the clothes. This clothes is not for me alone. Please let me advise you some men outside there, please. So sometimes you can help your wife with the washing clothes. So when you marry the woman, don't leave all the things for her. Sometimes she can cook, she can take you water for shower, but it's not like that. Sometimes you can take your water alone, you go and you take shower. So don't see her like she's your house girl. Okay, thank you for watching.